It's your boy Dre, man. Me and Josh really don't be doing these hood songs, instrumentals, trap songs. But I gotta say, man, it's like a bird's way. But look though, man, Dreamwinners, nigga, that's the only thing I gotta say though. But here goes this little trap music. Really don't like doing it, but it was fun. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, here go, boy. Selling all this loud and my niggas fucking double up. Niggas in the hood, I don't think they ever done enough. Words in the streets is either hustle or living rough. Going hard on the block until I get my money up. Hustle all day, shoot dice at night time. Gonna make the money till I didn't think it's right time. Distance equal money and money equal fucking time. Only thing I know that I got a big hustle mind. Going through these bitches like I'm shooting with a shotgun. Always looking up and trying to see what I done. Mainly in the street is that Drake cop the sales. My team dressed and living well. Drake. Yeah. Look like I'm up. That's my motherfucking word, nigga. That's my word. Dreamwinners. Slanging birds. That's my motherfucking word, nigga. That's my word. I got everything from moving work. I'm stunning all these choppers with the granddaddy perk. I'm leaning like a three-legged lion off the surf. 3 cell phones and all them bitches do work. A pussy nigga get fucked, might get murked. Shoot up your house and I don't give a damn who get hurt. These ass niggas really soft like Nerf. Shoot a proud nigga, make his ass down to earth. That pussy so wet a nigga might go surf. But best believe I pull out if I hear that phone chirp. It's a rare sight, JC don't got that fucking work. I'm ballin' harder than the 2002 Terps. Like I said, man, we really don't even do this, but we do this. And only real niggas will get that shit.